All right, Orchestra 3 viola students. This is page 16. On page 16, we are going over that 2-octave G major scale and shifting. When shifting, you are moving your entire hand, your thumb included, and the elbow gets under as well. So when playing, I'm gonna play on the D string because we have a shift on the D string for the G major scale. You can put your first finger down on E natural and slide up to G. One way that you can tell that your first finger G is in tune is your open G string should ring, okay? That's ringing tones that we call. That means your first finger would be in tune with your open G string, and that's what we're striving for, okay? So you can practice slowly. Your instrument should also sound a little bit brighter when you get to that first finger G and it's in tune, okay? So I'm gonna go over line number 1. It is the G major scale shifting on the D string, okay? Oh, I'm sorry, it's shifting on the A string, so we shift from B and C natural, shift, you can practice that before you do the scale. So A, C natural, shift, one more time. Okay, so starting at the beginning of line number 1. For line number 2, we are working on shifting only on the G string. So you are going to stay on the G string the entire time. You're using just your first finger, and it's going over the different positions as well. So the positions are marked under the notes. So we're gonna start in first position, that's open G, and then our first finger A on the G string is also first position, okay? Every finger that we would normally use, so for instance, our second finger B, when we replace it with our first finger, we're now in second position. Our third finger C on the G string, if we replace it with our first finger, we're now in third position, so on and so forth, the higher you get. Line number 2. I would use a metronome at about 60 so that you can work on this slowly. Remember, everything moves. Make sure you take your time with this one, listen carefully, use a tuner if anything, and listen for those ringing tones. Your instrument's going to sound 10 times brighter when the notes are in tune with the entire instrument, especially your C, D, and A strings, okay? Have a wonderful day.